Ademabiko, Anamario, Nario, Kuyakario, Onyo Bulamonanya. Organ harvesters in the one chance, they are still operating. They are still operating. Everybody be very, very alert. Noro at alert. Inaba moto. Marodrimote inaba. Before you step inside that car, watch ya. Listen to your inner spirit. Listen to your inner spirit. Listen. Listen to your inner spirit. Before you enter any vehicle. Nimo over here. Listen to your inner spirit. Osege Baba, Osege Bala, don't even step down. We are going to play another ugly incident that happened in Owerri. And God saved this, our sister. We are going to play it now. You listen, then you use it for correction, use it for admonition, and use it for education. And use it as information. Get on to very well.
That was day before yesterday. I entered the one chance motor from Nkoji to Imsu. I was going to Imsu. I was going to school that day. So when I entered the motor, I noticed that there were 4 people sitting there, and 4 of them were putting on all black. There was a woman there carrying a baby and a man sitting there in the middle. I sat down at the back. I sat down beside somebody. The person was living like an imbecile at first. So the conductor also sat down at the middle seat. When they got to Oji Junction, they picked somebody else. So while on our way, we got to one particular place, Oji Mission. Immediately, all of them turned and asked me where I was going to. At first, I was suspicious because they were all putting on black and they were acting mischievous. So they asked me where I was going to. I was suspicious then. I had to tell them that I would stop at Amawa instead of Imsu. The driver picked offense and was trying to, like, he was talking, and why will I say I'm stopping at Amawa when I said I want to stop at Imsu? I said, okay, I forgot something, so I had to stop there. I want to get something from that place. So in the heat of the argument with the driver, the woman carrying baby threw a handkerchief on my face, like tried throwing it. So I caught it immediately. I was conscious enough to get it. I caught the handkerchief. Immediately, the person that was living like an imbecile and the conductor started fighting me. They were seriously fighting me. They closed the when we got to that place, they closed the door. Like a certain place as we were fighting, they closed the door. And there was no police at the OG flyover. So I was seriously fighting them. The conductor hit my chest, very hard hit, like punched me on my chest, which led to me trying to vomit blood. They were trying to get the blood that was coming, but I was swallowing it back. The man that was living like an imbecile was also fighting me. Like they were seriously fighting me. I was hitting the glass. So then I noticed that the glass was tinted. I was hitting it. In the heat of hitting it, they saw that the window cracked. So they were like, if I continue hitting, they were going to catch them around Imsu Junction because police were always there. So the driver said, push and come out now bad luck. But before then, as we were arguing, one of them, the one at the front that they picked at Oji Junction, said that they should be fast, that the driver should drive fast. That the doctor from FMC has gone to the location. But they did not mention, they just said doctor from FMC, which means that the person that is working with him is also a doctor. So immediately they pushed me out at almost close to Imsu. They pushed me out. The conductor said, God save you, I would have used this knife to cut off your breast. They zoomed off. When I got down from that place, I was not able to talk. I was trying to like shout. I was not able to talk for like few minutes. I just stood there for some time before I started going to school. And I got to Junction. I met some people that, like my friend, that was able to calm me down. That's it.
Doctor from FMC. I want you to observe something. Organ harvesters are not working alone. After all, most of them are going to school. After all, most of them, onye ha akpotakwa gabia wepụta the guru meji guru nta ukwu a medical doctor. When inore ya here uno mu no so kwapurie. Inore from somebody that God saved, a victim. Then on ime moto ahụ that the doctor from FMC is already waiting at the location. Doctor from FMC is already waiting at the location. Onwe ebe na-enweghị ndị oshi ndị ama, no profession. Onwe profession na-enweghị ndị oshi, na-enweghị criminals, na-enweghị idiots, na-enweghị armed robbers. Onwe profession na-enweghị. In every profession in this world, ha nwechara ndị oshi, nwe ndị ama, nwe ndị ọjọọ. Lenien, doctor from FMC. But you go to Ghana FMC, na get doctor, ya na-eme ka ezigbo mmadụ. A man or organ harvester. Ima no ya ka ndị ọga harvester na-akpọ ma enweta mmadụ ọbịa gụrụ mkpụrụ obi gụrụ iji uru meji gụrụ ihe ndị a na-agụrụ agụrụ n'ahụ mmadụ. Because on the doctor ahụ wu ndị ma ndị chọrọ ya. Oh yes! On the doctor wu ndị ma ndị chọrọ ya. Be very careful o. Ma gị nwa na onwe gị na-aga any hospital ị na-aga, bikwa very careful. Asa ga-eme gị operation, ịma ihe werela ahụ gị. Asa ga-eme gị this, ịma ihe werela ahụ gị. Some of these doctors are evil. Some of these medical doctors are evil. Like what 191 equally now is another revelation. Another powerful revelation that will help you and help me and help everyone. And these people they may here, and equally, bossy man and tinted glass. We have said it here. Police should seize it. Onya wala tinted glass, bossy Imo. Police should arrest that person. Confiscate that vehicle. Bossy Imo should not have a tinted glass. He's a passenger bus. A passenger bus should not be tinted. A passenger bus should not be tinted. Even private in kind of onya you get authority before you use it. And most of these people that hang it around the junctions, they enter. They enter. You know, to 191 now she wore that handkerchief. That woman choreto and one ibio kunwa. Kolue and oluri handkerchief the thing metrani one had the week. We said it here the other time. Driver be ore handkerchief. Abia ne hichiragi moto. Ne hichaba so ebe ige loru. Say don't worry, let me clean it. E clean ye gi loru. Ike ga akwu. Ike ga yo. Harm your strength. You will not shout. You will not fight. You will do nothing. Ma wasile nwere ajikwe nwe perfume shetu perfume atato ya na akwụkwọ shigishie gishie gerahu. Everybody be very very alert. Be very very alert. These people are still here. But by the special power of Chukwokika Biaba, we must win this battle. This is a war, but most of you are this is a war. But I get win here. Amen.